to remove the shoes.
So your keycard?
Yes.
Can, so one keycard is already here. Replace it for the power. Okay. It's the one you can use for opening and closing.
So these are two different key or same?
No, it's the same. Yeah.
Okay.
Same or two?
So this one you can keep it here.
Okay.
Inserted already. Okay. And here's the remote for the AC. Okay. And the telephone, if you want for reception, just press 0. I don't think you need to because you have my number also.
Yeah, I'll call on WhatsApp.
And here the dynamic menu. Okay. So the food you take depends on the price.
Okay. If we want to order anything in your room.
In room, yeah.
Okay.
So this one. Okay. So the menu for the spa, the hair dryer, and the mosquito repellent and adapter. Right. And 2 bottles of water you get in the morning and also in the night. Okay. And these are the items which is in the mini bar. Okay. So they will, this will be chargeable, and if you consume, you can just sign here. So
Okay.
they will refill it for you when they clean it. So this is the item. Okay. Here you can see the safe box. And here the capsules for coffee machine. These 2 capsules will be free in one day. Okay, 2 a day is free for you.
Which one?
This one.
This one and this one.
Yeah, for
Okay.
this coffee machine.
Okay, what is this facility?
And for the other coffee series will be free, unlimited. Right?
These only 2 will
Only
get
2
in
a
a
day.
day.
Yeah.
This
Unlimited. You can refill it anytime.
Okay.
And
Then oh, these are all from the mini bar.
mini bar
right?
item and the price list. Yeah.
Okay. But the tea, coffee, those things are complimentary.
Complimentary.
Okay.
And here we see the bathrobe, and one bathrobe here, the other one is other side. Okay, from this way also. And hangers, if you need more, just let me know. And one slipper here, other one there. And we have the bathroom. Outside shower and indoor shower. Bath towels here, 2 side wash basin with face towels on both sides. The bathtub.
But this huge and especially the outdoor bath,
Oh.
this concept I liked very
So,
much.
yeah. And this is the newest room here. Newest, last year. Right, do you like it? And from here you can see more private beach and the pool. Okay, so the beach towels are there.
Okay, this is good. There is a lot of vegetation in front of the pool. So people walking
I saw
from
that
there
you,
cannot see directly.
I saw that you requested also. So.
Yeah, very nice.
So the sunburst you can, if you want, you can just move it to there and you just swim. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But these days very hot, so you can keep the doors closed. Okay?
Mhm.
Like the bathroom doors and this one,
Yeah.
so there won't be any AC issue.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
If you have any question, just let me know on WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Let's just get some fresh and
Fresh air. Perfect. Alright, enjoy your holiday.
thank you.
See you
Thank
later.
you.